Today we are back at Epcot and we're taking a look into the seas with Nemo and Friends ride and the aquarium. So stay tuned to see all the sea creatures that Epcot holds. This ride can move up to 2,200 guests per hour. Typically, this is one of the shortest wait time rides in the park. This attraction originally opened as the Living Seas in 1986, and it was rethemed to reopen as the ride that today we know as the Seas with Nemo and Friends, which opened in January 24, 2007, now featuring elements from the film Finding Nemo. On this ride, you board a clamobile, which can fit up to 3 guests per vehicle. This ride can accommodate your entire family, meaning there's no age nor height restriction. From the youngest member to the great-grandparents, here's a ride that everyone can enjoy together. Some parts of the ride are dark, so keep that in mind if you think your little one will get concerned. Other than that, is a very relaxed ride, a perfect break from the less than desirable weather that Florida offers sometimes. Yes, the famous afternoon showers that pop out of nowhere. This pavilion will offer enough entertainment for you to spend a good amount of time until the sun shines again like nothing had happened.
Jellyfish! Right! That's jellyfish!
Fun fact, at 5.7 million gallons, this is the second largest aquarium per gallon of water in the country. Another fun fact is that Uncle Jesse and Uncle Joey went for a swim with the fishes in an episode of Full House. Also, if you have a scuba certification, you can go for a swim and dive into this aquarium tank. While walking through the aquarium, you can find many species and also specific areas like the manatee, the nursery, and the larger one with sharks, stingrays, sea turtles, reef fish, and more. If you are lucky, there might be a scuba diver that can interact with your little one and create a magical memory. Make sure you don't miss the Turtle Talk Show. Crush can definitely get a laugh or three out of you. There's also a complimentary scavenger hunt where you can help Dory find her friends during a self-guided scavenger hunt through the aquarium. Solve clues and collect stickers to complete this fishy mission and learn fun facts along the way. You can pick up your complimentary scavenger hunt booklet near the exit of the seas. Here I leave you to take a look at all of this magic. I hope you all enjoy this beautiful nature that Disney offers. It's important to mention that Disney has helped rehabilitate many sea creatures. Please don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for more adventures and fun facts.
Say it ain't so.
Basically to make room for more critical care than they need. That would be an omnivore. They're quite comfortable eating off the bottom. We want Tanimura specifically to be even more comfortable eating off the surface.